On my previous video where I told you the secrets of passing the PMP exam, I said the fourth thing you should do is to take as much as you possibly can exam simulators. In this video, I will tell you why it is hugely important to take simulator exams. There is one important condition under which you have to take those PMP exam simulators though. When you take those exam simulators, you must pretend that you are on a real exam. This is the condition. This means that you must respect the exam rules. For example, taking only 2 10-minute breaks, respecting the time, no cheating, because this will help you understand where you truly stand. Now, let's get back to their importance. The first and foremost reason why exam simulators are important is because they help you know what to expect on the exam day. The second reason why they are important is because they help you become familiar with the question format. The third reason, they train your brain to focus for the time necessary to finish the exam and achieve optimal results. The fourth reason, they reduce tiredness and distraction. The fifth reason, they allow you to track your progress as accurately as possible.